go. Here comes Anderson on her belly. There she is on her belly. Daddy's getting her ready. She's the next luge. Good job. Does Daddy want to take Reno down once?
Okay.
This way I gotta take the sled up.
Woo! We have about 0.000001 inches of snow on the ground, and sledding has commenced.
I almost fell. Maybe that's right.
Keep your head on. There they are.
What?
Key sledders. Awesome power sledding team. Sledders galore. Uno sledders. Can't speak, my brain is freezing. That was safe.
We had a wreck, Reenie. We had a wreck.
Oh my gosh.
We had a wreck. Woo, Reenie!
I might have to help her up there. Reenie's wiping boogies.
Reno.
Ryan McGowan. All right. Whoa, get that ball, Reenie. Okay, hold on.
Woo! All right.
Okay, let's let her do it 2 more times, and then we're gonna go in. Hey, Reenie, say hi. Can you wave hi? Wave to the camera. You're going in? Okay, go bye. Hold on, Reno. Hold on. Up. Oh my goodness. These daredevils. Jeez. She lost her hat. It was was a dangerous ride.
I want to go by myself.
Okay, wait a minute.
Go by yourself sitting on your bottom. That's how you go the furthest.
No.
Jeez. No. Reenie, stay with Mommy. Stay with Mommy.
Hey.
Well, come on, Reenie. Stay with Mommy. Here comes Anderson. Oops, I lost you.
I hurt my belly a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, you weren't on quite right.
All right, come on.
All right.
Thank you, Mr.
Hopefully this is all the snow for 2011.